Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a speed clean with me. I'm going around basically my whole house and just giving it a good clean, making sure that it's nice and fresh. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about.
So I wanted to start off in the bedroom today. I'm just going to whiz round, make the bed and pick up any laundry that needs doing. This bedroom was getting a little bit out of hand, and I think just because of the size of the bedroom, when it gets a little bit messy, it looks really messy. So I do need to try and keep on top of it just so it's nice and calming and relaxing, because I love having a nice calm space, especially in the evening. So I just wanted to get all of this done before heading downstairs and sorting out the rest of the house.
Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah. You know I want him nah.
So once I have the first wash load in, I want to jump straight into doing the sink, and as you can see, I don't have any washing up today, which is definitely a first. So I just wanted to take advantage of that and do the sink straight away before all the washing up piles up on the sides, because I know that it won't be long. So I just want to go around, give everything a good scrub over using the Cif cream, and then again with the white vinegar spray to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. And then I'm also going to go in and wipe down all of the sides, the cabinets and everything, and just make everything nice and fresh.
Yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too.
Once I had that done, of course, I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink with some hot water and Zaflora, and today I'm using the summer berries. I had a bit of a rummage underneath the kitchen sink, and I've got so many Zafloras under there that I didn't actually realise that I had. So I want to try and use them up, and I thought this time of year would be perfect for the summer berries. It's just really fruity and nice and summery. So I'm just going to go around the whole kitchen, wiping everything down with the diluted water, just to make everything disinfected and smelling beautiful.
No, we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like,
once I had all the kitchen done, I'm just moving through into the front room and just giving it a good tidy. It's not too bad today. I just need to put away Cinnabon's toys, sort out the cushions and throw blankets, because you know how it is, they just get thrown around everywhere, and just get rid of any rubbish and just make it look a lot more put together and a lot more cozy before I then go in and give it a good hoover and a dust and just get it nice and cozy for the day.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep
So before we start with the hoovering downstairs, I just had to hang up the first wash load because this one had done, and whenever I leave it in the washing machine once it's finished, it creases up so badly and it makes ironing the next day 10 times harder. So I'm just going to quickly hang this wash load up, put the next wash load in, and then we can head back downstairs and finish off the hoovering.
You give me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes.
I just love how the living room feels once it's had a good hoover. It really does feel finished and cozy and nice. So once all that's done, I'm then going to hang up the second wash load just to get it all drying, ready for the next day. And I'm also going to be going into the main bathroom today. I don't often film the main bathroom just because it's so small and the angles are really difficult, but I feel like I've not filmed it for a little while now, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys to give you bathroom motivation as well, because sometimes when I do like a whole house clean, I do the bathrooms, but sometimes I don't film it, so it's like I haven't done the whole house when I really have. So I just wanted to share that with you to give you some deep cleaning motivation as well as the everyday motivation. So whenever I clean any of the bathrooms, I always use the Method bathroom cleaner. I think it smells beautiful and it really does make everything nice and clean. But I am looking for something a little bit stronger to do the bath with. I feel like it's just not tough enough, and I've always got to do a lot of scrubbing in the bath, and I'm just not a fan of that. So I'm going to be looking to see if there's a good Flash cleaner, because I've been using Flash in the kitchen for a while now and I really like that. It does work really well. So hopefully there's a good bathroom cream one. Do let me know down in the comments what you use on your buff, because you've always got some really good ideas and tips and tricks, and I could really do with any tips that you've got, because scrubbing the buff honestly just kills my back, and I've seen quite a few people use brooms to do it, so I might actually buy a broom and see if that works and do it that way. But obviously it will be in a future video if I do that, and if it works I will share that with you. But any type of bathroom cleaner, bath cleaner, do let me know what you use in the comments below. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. If it did, then do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel. I do post every single day, so there is tons of motivation, decluttering, organisation and home decor inspo to come, and I would love for you to be a part of it by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you back here in the next one.